News.
A Western Maryland man is being held without bond this evening, accused of going into a restricted area at BWI Marshall Airport. Police tell us John Hill Jr. was stopped on the evening of the 4th of July. That's according to the Baltimore Sun, which reports that Hill allegedly tried to open a secured door in BWI's international concourse. Hill did not have a boarding pass, and investigators found a small knife in his waistband. He's facing a number of charges now. The Sun reports the TSA is trying to figure out how he got through a checkpoint without a ticket and with a knife.
It's the video we've been talking about all week because it really begs the question, no harm, no foul. A guy in Virginia calls 911 after he says he was fouled during a game of pickup basketball in an LA Fitness in Sterling. This evening, a new view from the body cam of the deputy who had to respond to that call. The deputy handled the call like a pro, mediating the dispute between the two ballers. No charges were pressed, and the men eventually returned to the court.
Are they recreating that dispute there? All right. First of its kind is getting ready to open just a few months from now right here in D.C. Starbucks says it's launching its first ever signing store at 6th and 8th Streets near Gallaudet University. The company plans to hire 20 to 25 deaf or hard of hearing employees who are proficient in American Sign Language. They'll have aprons that include Starbucks spelled out in ASL. Others will have pins that read I sign. Starbucks got this idea from a similar shop that opened in Kuala Lumpur back in 2016. And we've learned 3 or 4 different things. You know coffee, which is...
This is coffee.
That's right. And this is tea, kind of dropping the bag.
And this is hot.
And this is cold.
Ice.
Cold. Ice. Right.
Ice.
And if we messed any of those up, this is, I'm sorry.
We're
sorry. That's good, though. I want to go to that.
We want to thank Kelvin Robinson, our writer, who
learned how to sign at University of Maryland.
at the University of Maryland. That was a course he got to take.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Isn't that cool?
All right.
It's so elegant.
It's so sign language?
Beautiful.
No, I used to know a lot more.
Yeah. You can point out a map pretty darn well.
Yeah, I used to know most of the alphabet, but yeah. That's what I do. That means weatherman.
Exactly.
Right there. It means weatherman.
Yeah.
So, guys, it's on the hot side for sure across the region today. Temperatures in the mid-80s to upper 80s, but without the humidity this time of year, it's a comfortable warm temperature out there. Current number sitting at 87 degrees. 85 at 7 o'clock, down to about 73 by 11. So, again, just like last night, a very nice night. Temperatures should drop off fairly quickly. We'll see a nice moon. Moon about half right now. We'll continue. Now, 83 degrees Gaithersburg, 84 in Camp Springs, 83 Annapolis. So really some nice weather out there today. No rain. We're dry. We're going to stay that way for the next couple of days. Until we start to see the changes come. They start as early as Saturday. Saturday, the first day that we do have some rain in the forecast. Right now, though, taking a look at our system here, we're clear, beautiful weather. Boston, down towards the mid-Atlantic, back towards Chicago, although Chicago just to the west, some big-time thunderstorms, tornadoes occurring right now into Iowa. None of that, however, will be heading our way. We've got a big area of high pressure off the coast. We've got an area of low pressure back to the west. That's what's providing with the storms here, but that's not going to be able to move our way. It's going to be stuck. And the difference between the high pressure and low pressure will allow storms and showers and a lot of rain and humidity to come into our region all next week. This is a major pattern change, a pattern we have not seen since May. We saw a very wet May. We're going to see a very wet end of the month of July with a little bit more on this and to show you exactly what to expect. Let's go to Amelia in the Weather Center.
Well, Doug, as you know, we're talking about 3 main factors next week. By far, it's going to be rain as number 1, but also the humidity and then the cloud cover throughout the week. So I want to break down the rain first. So this is the rainfall estimated amounts through Friday, and you can see it generally ranges from about 2 to 4 inches across the area. Now, we could see a little bit more, but we're not really looking at widespread flooding. It's going to be a nice soaking rain Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So it's just the fact that it's going on days on end. When you talk about humidity, it's feeling tropical around here. Our humidity level is going to be oppressive next week. So highs only in the low to mid 80s, which is below normal, are feeling more like 90 degrees. And then we talk about cloud cover when it's not raining, because it's not going to be a continuous rain. But when it's not raining, we're noticing very little sunshine. In fact, plenty of clouds out there Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then maybe